Wanna know how to sort strings in descending order? Well, no worries. Normally, arrays.sort arranges strings alphabetically in ascending order, which is A to Z. So, to reverse that, we simply use corrections.reverseOrder as a comparator. So, when we pass it to arrays.sort, the order flips down from Z down to A. For example, we have a fruit name like apple, mango, and banana. They'll be sorted out as mango, banana, apple. So this is very useful whenever you need to display list in reverse, or in alphabetical order in Java. And that's it. This is how you easily rearrange it. So I'm just going to show you by running this code, and there you go. That's it. This sentences has been put in descending order. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.